Assalamu alaikum, myself Azad from Review Junkie. How are you guys doing today? Well guys, today's short review video is on Homme, or you could say unboxing video on Homme, which is from Maison Hambra, a dupe of, here you go, Maison Hambra, Homme, a dupe of Carolina Herrera Bad Boy, and we do have a velvet box. The entire honest review will be soon posted on my channel, and you can subscribe and hit the bell icon button. So here you go, Homme by Hambra, sorry, not Haramain, Hambra, and a dupe of Bad Boy by Carolina Herrera. We do have a snug fit, and stick around.